at Seashore Campsite. I'm going to show you guys around.
So, Shara, this is what you gotta do, right?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I'm Aisha. And by the way, that's my middle name. I knew you had put it away. You was tireless.
No, that means I've been put it away because I just couldn't find it for a while.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I guess I'll clean it out. Corn. It's not corn, say fruits. You have pineapples, cherries, and grapes.
Yes, yummy.
With us.
Just the three of us.
Me, Josiah, and Hugo and Kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
They had these nice barbecue wings on the
Enjoying
grill.
those.
Mm-hmm.
They tore them up.
Eggs for breakfast. Say good morning.
Oh, good morning. And a very good morning after I had my breakfast.
I gotta finish fixing
You bringing the beans?
Zala's hair.
No, I told you I wanted to go get beans. We had enough time because all other things we wanted to do.
You're on the channel, Mom.
I'm on YouTube now.
See, there was a lot of things I needed to do.
Oh,
And I was
okay.
getting the beans included.
Reporting live.
I just want no for you. Oh, no, I just want one.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Mom and coffee. Mom and coffee.
You want coffee?
Coffee.
Get her coffee ready.
The kettle's, kettle's now boiling.
I'm just joking. So nice. You helping Pop wash dishes.
Okay. Just a little bit more on the side.
I Queen Sissy.
Okay, that's the last one.
I really probably know how to do dishes.
Okay, thank you.
She playing with this banana now. You
Alright,
done?
that's it. Leave it in there.
Finish?
Leave it in there.
Where's your bag?
This is their activity center here at the campsite. Yep, so now we're just about to get in the pool and just swim a little bit and cool off. It's super hot out here. I am looking forward to this. Let me get in with them. I'll just try to film and show you guys what it looks like here a little bit. But I'm definitely about to get back in the pool.
She's still closing her eyes trying to sleep.
Hey, Layla!
We're enjoying this swimming time.
Yeah, we're camping. We'll do it again. Camping. It's a fun campsite. Papa, we're supposed to race. Pop, let's race.
Okay, I'm going to race summer first.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, 1, 2, 3.
I'm jumping kite. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, I'll be a banana for you. Wait for me. No, wait for me. I got morning. Summer, go sit. And I'm drinking. And then my milk. I'm going to scratch.
We're eating some cereal for breakfast. Well, where did baby go? Let me show you my mom's tent is super flooded. It was raining crazy last night. Oh my goodness, it was so hard to sleep. Even the tarp is soaking wet. The whole tarp. My tent isn't as bad, but theirs is pretty soaked. Now we have to clean up. It was raining all night last night, so we wound up using some of our towels to get some of the water off the floor. Everybody just trying to get the water out of their tents. And we're just going to try to have another fun day. I'll just show you guys what we get into today at the campground. We're actually staying out here 3 nights because that's how long I think I can stay out here with 2 toddlers. I can only make it 3 nights. So that's what it's going to be. They love it though. They love playing in water all day and just being out here running and playing with their cousins. They're having a great time. So hopefully we come again next year. After a long night of rain, we just have to kind of probably dry the stuff in the dryer. Everything's hung on the line, but it's really wet. Yeah, that's where you are, Samara. So my sister's making breakfast.
Again.
Okay.
I'm about to just crack these eggs on here. You want to scramble them?
I guess so.
Okay. All right.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna have me a cup of coffee this morning and get the day going. We have cream and everything.
Is this somebody, like, whose order was this? I don't know who that is. I didn't have that kind.
It don't matter.
The side?
This what they like doing.
Our second full day at the campground. The girls are playing, doing dishes again with soap. We ate our sausage and egg breakfast.
Everything is right over here. Okay. Turn the thing on. Especially covered right here. Okay.
Mine's right there.
Okay. So that way we can hurry and clean that grill and get it out the way. And I'm gonna move out this chair so you can sit down.
You kiss. I love you.
You want some cookies? Go get them out because I haven't even opened the pack yet.
This is the lake here at the campsite.
We eat some chocolate later.
No, 8 ounce.
Huh?
8 ounce.
Oh, that's a fly.
Go in.
Go away, fly.
I'm trying to open up some cans of tuna,
Yep.
and I'm struggling.
We're about to make some rice and vegetables, right, Mom?
Yes. Cajun.
So we're just trying to cook. We're all very hungry. Struggling with the cans of tuna. Guess we'll eat tomorrow.
Or the day after.
We'll eat the day after. He won't. He'll have something already planned for himself.
Mm-hmm.
Get the seeds. The seeds.
Share together. And Zayla's trying to eat sunflower seeds, which she can't. I left them on the table. I'm gonna say hi, Makai. Samai just finished her noodles. How were they, Samai?
Busted.
I need to get my spatula. Let me check on the veggie burgers. They look like they get done pretty quickly. Start right
This
up.
would be enough for everybody to eat when I'm done.
Yeah.
You know how to make an orange? It's like this. Look. Orange. Circle. Go ahead. You almost got it. Yeah. Yeah, orange.
Orange.
Yeah. Yeah, make a banana.
Layla insisted on having noodles. And then Zayla said she wanted noodles too, so they got noodles. Yeah, so we just got back from the pool and it's time to eat crabs.
Yeah.
My favorite time. I've been eating them. They're so yummy. My garlic butter sauce. So good.
That Auntie Shashai made.
All right, now time to eat.
Yep.
Look.
All right, wait, back up, back up, back up. Fit to with us.
I want my small right. Right.
Watch out for some. I
Okay.
fire.
Campfire night.
Get nice
Then
and
you
black.
put